Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is an easy one, delicious and nutritious. It's rice and beans. Stay with me to see all the steps. It's very easy and quick and your family will love it. You see how is the rice, each grain by itself, and we have the red kidney beans. We take a non-stick pot like that, we put it on top of the stove, and I have here green peppers and some onion. I blend them together. If your family don't mind, the pieces of sliced onions and peppers, you can saute them with some olive oil, salt and pepper. But if you have kids or your family members don't like the pieces of onions and peppers, you can do it this way. I have some olive oil here, the onion, and a half green pepper. I add 1 can of drained red kidney beans. I leave everything like cook or saute together for a few minutes. Then here I'm adding thyme leaves. If you have the fresh one, you can add some fresh leaves. Garlic, you can use fresh garlic or use the garlic powder. And then we season with salt and black pepper to taste. I have here 1 cup of rice and 1 can of drained red kidney beans. You see, 1 cup of long grain basmati rice. For the rice, you can use any kind of rice you prefer. Mix everything together. Now this step is on high heat. Then I add like 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Give it a nice color and for flavor too. Mix everything together before I add my broth or you add the liquid. For the liquid, I use the vegetable broth. This one is salt free. If you use the one that have salt, be careful when you add salt in beginning. For 1 cup of rice, I use 1 cup, and the second cup is not full because I have the liquid from the onions, tomatoes, and peppers. It's not 2 cups, it's less than 2 cups of liquid. Then I cover it and leave it cook in very low heat until the rice absorb all the liquid as you see here. Then I will cover this rice after I turn the stove off. I cover it with one of the kitchen towels like that to get all the steam. After a few minutes, I open and you see my rice is fluffy and each grain is by itself, perfectly cooked and delicious and nutritious. As always, it's a very easy recipe. You can serve it with some lamb, chicken, or fish. It goes with a lot of dishes. That was the recipe for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy!